Hey guys, what is up? It's Marissa at Pumps and Planners and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video here for you. I have a package that was sent to me by Erin Condren to review and show you guys some of their new products. So I just have it flipped upside down so my address doesn't show, but let's just open it up really quickly. This is what it looks like and I'm just going to grab it out of the paper after I open it here for you. So it's wrapped all nice and beautifully and safe. And here is what it looks like. So I'm just going to grab this stuff and get rid of the box and show you. So first up, this is a new pack of the dual tip markers. These are my favorite. I love the dual tip markers so much. I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit here. There we go. I love the dual tip markers so much. They are awesome. So this is one of their like curated packs and it is of the greens. So I think some of these we've had before and I think some are new. Like I definitely recognize that mint and this one I love it, but I think that like this lighter one might be new. So the colors that it does include are pine. So pine, emerald, aloe, Kelly green, seafoam, and teal. Seafoam and teal are like my absolute favorite. So they come in this hard plastic case that's really good for carrying them in if you'd like, but that is a new green set of those markers. Then these are very cool. So these are tabbed sticky notes, 3 pads of 20 each equals 60. They're called repositionable adhesive notes. And if you see there, they're almost like tabs. So let's open these up. These look like they're probably from the Focused collection. They don't say that, but just from like the coloring, it seems like it. They're definitely neutral. So this one has a dot grid and like a little seafoamy teal tab. I hope you can't hear my dog eating his dog food in the background. I'm very sorry if you can. This one is lined with like a gold mustard tab, and then this one is really cool. So this one, I hope you can see that. I can zoom you in. This one right here is like clear. If I can get my flippin' finger under the first one. So it's like see-through. You see that? It's almost like vellum. It's like frosted. You can see through it. These are not that way. These are actual paper, but that bottom one is frosted, which I think is cool. So I really like these. It's on this kind of hard plastic situation, so if you wanted to, you could like coil clip this in or not. It's up to you, but yes, those are really nice. And then the new release was of their notebooks. So I have 2 new hardbound notebooks to show you. This one is obviously a pattern and this one is a solid, but they have well, this is a new pattern. This has a new inside. So I'll show you this one first. This is called the Take Note Classic Lined Softbound Notebook. I believe this pattern is like retro stripes or I don't know. But it has these beautiful gold foiled edges. Open it up. Mustard. Do the right thing. And then it is just lined pages, and then the flag at the top does change color. So you get how many pages? It doesn't say how many pages. Does it say? I might have said here. Nope. Okay, so I mean it's their typical softbound notebook, and then at the end it just says you're the designer of your own life, show us how you customize, earn points, things like that. And then there's the back. I love these softbound. They're very durable. They are floppy. They lay flat if you like bend it enough. I do know. But yes, very nice. They're soft. I just like the way they feel. And then the last one is a Take Note dot grid softbound notebook. So I do believe that the difference here, ooh, I like this one. This is my favorite color. Kind of wish this one was lined and I would use it as journal, but I'll use that one and use this one for something else. Oh, they do also have a ribbon bookmark. I forgot to show you on this one, but there is. It's just in this gold color like that. So, okay, anyway, back to this one. So you have your signature asterisk since it is a plain color. This is this tealy color. And then you have the beautiful mid-century circles. This is the beginning of everything. Silver quote. Take note notebook again. Oh, this comes with an index. So it's like a bullet journal. I did not know this is also new. That is really, really cool. And then the numbers or the pages are numbered. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. So this would definitely be great for a bullet journaler. That is awesome. I didn't know the pages were numbered and I didn't know it came with an index. So how many number pages do we have? We have 121 pages. And then your blank back page with the mid-century circles again. That is awesome. I did not know about that index, and I did not know about the pages being numbered. That makes me want a bullet journal again. So, yes, again, very floppy, would lay flat. We have, it matches, so it's turquoise foiled. These are just great because they're not too big, but they're not too little. Like, there's enough room to write things, but you could just put it in your bag, put it in your backpack, your purse, whatever if you wanted. I love these for just notes, projects, anything like that. Like I said, I want a journal in one, so probably this one since it is the lined one. But the fact that this is like set up to be a bullet journal is super intriguing to me. So, that is everything that I got. Let me know if you have any questions below. Keep an eye out for my 600 subscriber giveaway because we did hit that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please do so if you have not already, if you would like. And I hope you have a wonderful day. You can always find me at the Marble Planner on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks, guys.